Oh, hi. So, people, this is the request of mine. All you techies and sound gear people, if you know about the Furman PM-8, which this is, can you help me? I got this thing off of eBay. The seller was honest. He did not lie. He said that the thing powers up, which it does. It's but the LEDs don't really work, especially the current, the ammeter. That's a word, ammeter. Yeah. So I pulled out that. The reason why you see empty holes in there is because I pulled out the little circuit board. Here it is. Got it in tin foil to disperse any stray, voltages and stuff. Somebody out there, apparently this was a big. This is a common occurrence. I'm not the only one with a Furman PM-8, which is acting weird. This is a common thing. Well, here's the purpose of this video. Could somebody with a brain and/or experience tell me how to repair it? I'm very adept with a soldering iron, so could you just tell me? Do I need to swap out one of these chips? Do I need to, solder out a resistor? Is it this capacitor? Well, tell me what it is and I'll do it. Please leave a comment in the video section. If you know how to fix it and I repair it and it works, and the next time you're in Chicagoland, I will buy you, I don't know, whatever you want, a whole bunch of beer. I mean, I don't know too many single women around here because cultural changes. You don't even want to know. But hey, whatever you want, moral guidance, someone to listen to, someone to drink a lot of beer with, Jack Daniel's whiskey, whatever you want. I'm cutting down on my booze intake myself, but. That's I still have it in the box. Yes, it's in my kitchen and on my bathroom sink right now. Just because the lighting's better in here. Yeah, I just don't know, what the problem is. So yeah, anyway, I'm not going to talk all day. Somebody tell me how to fix this, please, and I'll just pay you back somehow. Otherwise, these, when they work, they're pretty good units. It's the Furman PM-8, and that's it. Where's my button? Here it is.